All right, you are welcome to this video. So in this video, we are going to be talking about some Chrome extensions that we'll be installing that will help us to do our keyword research on Amazon. So these are the three Chrome extensions that we need for our proper keyword research on Amazon. And these extensions are absolutely 100% free. So you can use them for free. You don't need to pay any dime on these particular tools now, for you to be able to carry out research on what exactly customers are searching for on the search bar of Amazon, and how you can create something similar to it and sell also on AmazonKDP.com. Okay, so now let's go. First of all, let me just go to my Chrome browser. So if you are using a smartphone, you can also follow along this video, because you can be using a browser called Kiwi browser. Let me try searching the browser here so that you can see how the browser looks like. You can see the logo of the browser like an eagle symbol. So this is the Kiwi browser that you can download from your own Play Store. So you go to Play Store and download this particular browser, which is called the Kiwi browser. So you are not going to be using Chrome when you are using smartphone. You can only use what is called Kiwi browser. So if you are using a laptop, this is where you are going to be using Chrome browser. I hope this is clear. Okay, so now we are going to be installing these particular three extensions, and I'm going to show you how each of these extension works, and also how you can use them for your own keyword research on Amazon. Okay, let's go to Chrome browser. So don't forget, if you're using smartphone, you go ahead and download Kiwi browser from your own Google Play Store. So now let's come to our browser and let's check for the first one. The first one on our list here is AMZ Suggestion Expander. Okay, let me go to my browser, that is Chrome, since I'm using laptop. Let me search for AMZ Suggestion Expander. Now let me just click on enter. So as you can see, this first one that shows chrome.google.com AMZ Suggestion Expander, then you click on it. You click on that. So as you can see, it is telling me I should remove it from Chrome. That is to say, I have installed this particular Chrome extension on my own browser. So now it is asking me to remove it from Chrome. So in your own scenario, if you are installing it for the first time, it will ask you to add to Chrome. So you are going to just click here and it will be added to Chrome. So that is for the AMZ Suggestion Expander. I already have it on this laptop. Let me go to the second one, DS Amazon Quick View. Let's go back to my browser and let me type DS Amazon Quick View. Okay, as you can see, this one that has the Chrome logo. Now you click on it. Now it's also asking me to remove from Chrome. That is to tell you that I have this particular extension on my computer, on my Chrome browser. Okay, so now this is the second extension you need to install. It will also show you add to Chrome. You click here and then add it to Chrome. That is to say, if you are using smartphone, this is the same scenario you are going to follow. This is the same pattern you are going to follow, and you can be able to add all this Chrome extension with your smartphone using Kiwi browser only. If you are using laptop, you can use Chrome browser. Okay, let's go back. The last one is Self-Publishing Titans. Let me go back to my browser and look for this extension. Self-Publishing Titans. Okay, you can see Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension. Let's click on it. So come down. This is the Chrome extension. Don't forget this one that has the Chrome logo. Let's click on it. So as you can see, KDP/Amazon BSRs and keyword research tool and keyword research SEO tool. Now it is also telling me to remove from Chrome. All right. So now all you need to do is just click here and add to Chrome. It depends on whether you are using Chrome browser or you are using Kiwi browser. and you can come down here and look at and check this particular video on how you can go about this particular Chrome extension, even though I'm going to show you how you can go and use this particular extension. Now, after installing these 3 extensions on your Chrome browser, don't forget we are using the normal Chrome browser, the normal browsing face of the Chrome. So now we are not going to be doing our research right away from this particular window. Yes, we are going to be going to an incognito mode or in an incognito window to do our own research. So if you install these particular extensions now, you cannot be able to use them in the incognito window. Now, why are we using incognito window for our own keyword research? Don't worry, if you are hearing this particular word keyword research for the first time, I'm going to show you everything concerning it. So this is just like a kind of trying to figure out things that will help us to go along doing the keyword research properly, like pro. Okay, so now let's come here to this particular Chrome browser, and if you're using the Q browser, the same thing. Let's click on this and let's come to new incognito window. But if you are using smartphone, if you click here now, you can even change it to desktop sites. You can change your browser to desktop site before going to the incognito window. It depends on how you do it, but make sure you are on the desktop site. You can see it here if you're using smartphone. Now let's go to incognito window. So now the reason why we are using incognito window for our own keyword research is that we want Amazon to give us information that people are searching on Amazon based on, not based on our browsing history, but based on exactly the market we want to target. For example, now our primary target market is the United States. So all we are going to be doing is going to be based on the United States. So now we are like trying to hide our identity from here so that Amazon can give us the full gist of the information we are looking from its website. So this is the incognito tab when you are using Chrome browser. So now once you are here now, you cannot be able to use the extensions properly when you're using laptop. You can come to this particular toggle now, this one where it says extensions. Now click on it. Now you are going to see all these extensions that you have installed if you have installed it already. But if you are installing it for the first time, now let's come to this manage extensions. We want this particular Chrome extensions to work on the incognito tab. Yes, now if you do not do it this way, you are not going to see it working on the incognito tab when you want to do your own keyword research. Now let's click on manage extensions. Now you can see the first extension here is AMZ suggestion expander that we have just installed. Now come here and click on these details. Click on the details and then come down. You are going to see where you are going to allow it so that it can work on the incognito tab. Now look at it here. Allow in incognito. Allow in incognito. Now this one in your own scenario, it will going to be like this. It is going to be off. So all you need to do is just to click on it and then on it. Now this particular extension now is going to work on the incognito tab if you do it this way. So now this is the same thing you are going to follow for the remaining extensions. Let's check the DS Amazon Quick View. I have a lot of extensions here that I'm using, not necessarily for the Amazon KDP research, but for other things also. What's wrong? I cannot see the DS Amazon Quick View. Okay, I cannot see it here. Oh, let me check. I don't know what's happened. Okay, so now I can be able to see the self-publishing titles. Now let's click on it. Also click on it. Now you come down and click on this. In your own case, I have told you it is going to be off. Now all you need to do is just to click on this and it is going to on and start working on the incognito tab. So that is the same thing you do to the DS Amazon Quick View, the AMZ suggestion expander, and the self-publishing titans. Now once you are done doing that, now you are set and ready for the Amazon KDP research. Okay, so now that is that for this particular video on how to install Chrome extensions for keyword research. So in the next video, we are going to be looking at how you can go about doing the keyword research and how these particular extensions are going to help you carry out an effective keyword research using these particular free tools as a complete beginner who have no money to invest in paid tools like Publisher Rocket. Okay, so thank you and then see you in the next video.